We're working on a Craftsman YT 4000, and it's got this tight steering radius arm, but as you can tell, there's a lot of play in it. Try looking for replacement parts, not easy to find. So, and you can tell that the steering's been off from all the play, and it's totally worn out these tires. So what I did was I disassembled the steering, and we ordered these kits with standard axles, okay, new drag links, and all the bushings that go with it, with the caps. And we're going to try to convert this over from this type of steering to standard. So let's see how that goes. Okay, first what I'm going to do is I'm going to mount the control arms to that steering link and put that back together. Alright, so let's see how it goes. Okay, this original piece is bolted out. It's got a lot of play in it. So what I did was I cut this big shim, filed it out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it right here, because if you can tell, there's a little lip here. So I cut it out so it fits that perfectly. Put that washer the way it goes, and then put this piece on top so everything stays together. Put a nut on it, and then once I do that, no play. Okay, so I think that's what we're going to do for that. Alright, I put the new rods in place. I took all the spindle parts I took for that tight steering thing off, and we'll see what we can do by filling that bolt in later. But the spindles go ahead, the links go down, and then I had to drill this out because these bolts are a little bit larger. They're 10 mil by 1 1/4, so I have to get new nuts and washers for that, but pick those up at Lowe's and it's no big deal. So I'm going to get this bracket back up, the steering linkage, and get it reassembled and see if we can actually align this thing and get it to go straight. Okay. These steering links that I got for the kit were a little bit too long, so I took out about 1.5 inches and I re-welded it back together, and then I'm going to put it back underneath the car. And these have the adjusters, so there's over 1 inch of play in here, so I think I can make a difference, but that seemed to be what I needed, so I'm going to go try it now. Alright, once I took the piece out, I was able to make the adjustment, and if you look at the front, the tires are now pointing just slightly in a little bit. I did a couple measurements, and I think that's going to work. When you do the steering, it does turn back and forth. Okay, so here, take a look. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, but it's centered now. There's left, there's right, and then we're back in the middle, okay? So I think that should be okay. Alright, good luck on your project. Thank you for subscribing.